Do you know that struggling with low views or no subscribers might be as a result of you ignoring one powerful YouTube features? This particular feature may seem basic, but trust me, if you get it right, you are going to have massive views, massive watch hours, better engagement, and build your audience faster. So, if you have been on YouTube platform or you're a newbie, I urge you to make sure you stick around to watch this video from beginning to the end. Do not skip any part. So as to enable you get the whole information right. No need to record or upload a new video. All you need to do is to head to YouTube homepage, the desktop version or on the YouTube app, bottom navigation bar. What I'm trying to say here is where you usually see your uploaded videos on desktop version or on your normal YouTube app, and organize your videos by creating a playlist. A lot of small creators don't know the power of playlist, and as such, they don't make use of it. So the question now is, what is playlist? A playlist simply means a collection of video grouped together under a specific topic or theme. Playlist is very good in the sense that when you create a playlist and start organize a video into that playlist, it automatically have a link. Playlist link is different from video link. Let us consider it this way. A playlist is turning one video into 10, 20, 50, or even more at once. Example, this my playlist has 8 videos. When somebody click on one video from this playlist or is watching one video from this playlist, as soon as the person is done watching, YouTube will suggest the rest video from this playlist, just as you guys can see it here. Another good thing about this playlist is that when someone watch your videos from playlists, there won't be room for YouTube to suggest any other kind of video from other channel. As you can see it here also. It also gives a connection between the current video in which you have done and other videos, especially if the video you just made is included in the playlist. So if people tend to click on 2 to 3 videos from your playlist, it will show a great signals to algorithm. Algorithm will start pushing your videos to more people. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time training, thank you. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you as well. My name is Confidence. So in this channel, I teach about how to grow a YouTube channel, how to monetize your YouTube channel, and how to make money both offline and online. So if this is something you're interested about, do well to like, share, subscribe, and lastly, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a playlist, how to organize your video into playlists you created, and how to use playlists to get massive views, watch hours, and subscribers. So if this is something you would like to know, make sure you stick around to watch this video from beginning to the end. Without wasting much of your time, let's move to the practical aspects of this video through the help of my screen record. Let me use my screen record and explain it more detail so as to enable you to get the whole information. All right. To create a playlist, I'll just move to my homepage by clicking on this my YouTube app. Click on this my profile picture. And I'll come to where I have my history and then my playlist plus sign. I write the title, how to start a YouTube channel. How to start a YouTube channel as my title. Then I'll click on visibility. I'll choose either public, unlisted, or private. For the sake of this video, I'll just choose unlisted. But normally your playlist should be on public. Then after I'll click on this create. If I tap on it, I've created my playlist. So I'll come back to where I have my videos. I'll click on your video. Then I'll click on this 3-dotted line. You have asked me save to playlist, share video. I'm saving to playlist. I'll click on this save to playlist. So look at all my playlists. How to start a YouTube channel. How to create a YouTube channel. So how to start a YouTube channel. I'll tick it good. That is it. I'll click on this done. And this is how I'll be adding other videos to it, adding other videos until I am satisfied with the number of videos I added to it. So let me play that a playlist I created. So I'll go back to where I have my videos. So look at the playlist I created. I'll just click on this playlist, show you exactly how it will work. So look at it, how to start a YouTube channel. Content. If I click on one, YouTube keeps suggesting this video. You have no room to suggest any other video from another channel until the person that is watching this video is tired of watching. But it's advisable to always file up your related video so that the person will have no option rather to keep watching. So once I tap on it, it will begin to suggest all this video for the viewer to watch. This is the power of playlist. Playlist is very, very important. Once I click on it, it will start suggesting all this video. And this is exactly how it's going to happen when the viewer click on it. Oh, playlist is very, very important. So for me to log into my YouTube dashboard, I'll just click on Chrome browser. When I tap on it, it will open. Type www.youtube.studio. So it has opened. I will click on this first one. So this interface will show. Try out the YouTube app. Continue to studio. Get the app. So I'll click on continue to studio. So this has bring me to my channel dashboard. Once I enter my channel dashboard, so I'll click on this create. I'll click on new playlist. I'll add my title. How to create YouTube channel. I'll add description, but description is optional. So I'll add my description now. You now write whatever is in your mind, but I'll end it here. Then I'll click on visibility. I'll click on visibility to choose either public or private. Then I'll tap on this create. Once that is done, I'll start choosing videos that I want to add to my playlist. I'll click on display that it says choose existing videos to add to your playlist. I'll click on it. I'll choose this video. Then I'll click on this done. I've already added this particular video to my playlist. That is how I'll be doing it until I am satisfied with the number of videos that I added in my playlist. So this is exactly how to create your playlist using desktop version of YouTube. So I know I'll be able to convince you and not to convince you that playlist is one of the best strategies that can help you increase your subscribers, your watch hours, and even views in the streets of YouTube. So if you have learned something from what you just watched, do not forget to like, share, give me a thumbs up. And lastly, comment down on the comment section below. If there's anything that is confusing that you don't understand, make sure you ask me a question on the comment section. So bye-bye and see you in my next video.